What's the meaning of Aesop's fables? Aesop's fables. Aesop's fables. Aesop's fables. Aesop's fables. Aesop's fables. Aesop's fables refers to a collection of short tales that are often used to teach moral lessons. The stories feature animals as main characters, often anthropomorphized to represent human behavior and values. The fables have been passed down through oral tradition and were later compiled into written form. They continue to be popular today and have been adapted into various mediums, such as children's books and cartoons. The enduring relevance of Aesop's fables lies in their ability to convey timeless principles of ethics and wisdom through engaging storytelling.